Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Shirish, you're not sending me attendance data. What happened? Hmm?
Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, today I will send.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Ma'am, wait for a second.
Good
I'm
morning,
opening.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Okay, children, there was a message in the class group that INEX newspaper, it is organizing a bikeathon. That's a cycle, not race. We should not call it a race, but just a cycling activity. Did you all go through that message?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, do you think that you should participate in it?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why do you think so?
Mama, I'll not go too far. I've just do cycling near my park.
Okay. So you go near your park, but it is going to be a
Good
good
morning, ma'am.
experience. Good morning, beta. Is anybody interested in joining it? The bikeathon?
I am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, there was a message in the class group that iNext newspaper is organizing a bikeathon. That is a cycling activity, you can say, in which there's a particular route on which people of all ages, like starting from your age or maybe students, children younger to you, and then age is no limit. Anybody can join this bikeathon. So I think you all should. A few of you should, along with your fathers, along with anybody of your family, along with your elder brothers or your sisters. You can do that. You should do that.
Now in my house there's only one cycle.
Hmm?
Now in my house there's one cycle.
Okay. It is on 30th of July and the reporting time is 6 a.m. And where you have to go, you have to be at Sports Stadium near Dela Pir Road. Okay, it will be very good if you join it. Rest is up to you. All right, now everybody open your cameras. All of you, just open your cameras. Let's begin with today's attendance. Yes, Arush Chaudhary, Stuti, Zoya, Pratyaksh, Dhruv. All of you open your cameras. I just get my pen.
Good
Okay.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. I'll take today's attendance and yesterday's attendance.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Arush Chaudhary, were you present yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Ma'am, after attendance, can we do the written work?
yes, we will do written work, beta. We'll do social studies work. Then after Arush, I have Atharv Singh. Atharv, beta, you were present yesterday. Atharv Singh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Zoya Fatima, you were present yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this bikeathon? When is this? Oh, it's today only. The date is gone. It was supposed to be today. Samya, beta, you called me up.
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
it was supposed to be at 6 a.m. in the morning. And I'm thinking that today it's 29th. The date is
What have Ma'am?
nothing. Now you don't have to do anything. Now nothing is to be done. Vikas Rathod, you were present yesterday.
Ma'am,
Vikas,
I was present yesterday for the Fatima.
Zoya Fatima was present yesterday. Okay. Then Yuvraj Singh was present yesterday in any of the classes. Children, you can tell
Yes,
me. Yuvraj Singh was there. Okay.
ma'am,
Then
I am present. Vikas Rathi.
Vikas Rathod was also present. Hurry up, let's just finish this attendance quickly. Then I want to know about Mishti. Mishti, you were present yesterday?
No, ma'am.
No. Mishti
No,
beta,
ma'am.
stop sending so many messages in the class group. This is not the way to behave in class group beta. Ma'am, please, ma'am, please, ma'am, please. And when you have period, you can talk to your teacher then. Don't be so impatient about your class work, about the written work. And if you are so impatient, then start joining the classes. Attend your classes regularly. You are the only one in the entire class who does this thing. And every teacher talks about it. Beta, I should not see it next time. Is that clear, Mishti?
Okay, ma'am.
Samya, Alifia, you were there yesterday?
No, ma'am.
Pratyaksh Rathi, you were there?
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay. Manas Garg, you were present?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but tomorrow is not the SST class.
Yes, I know, beta. That is why I'm taking the attendance. And were you absent in this week? Any day were you absent?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know whether you were absent or present.
Then Manas girl
Man-
present.
Manas Garg was present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else I have left? Dhruv Singh, what about you, beta? You were present all these days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about Harsh Patel? Harsh Patel is here.
No, ma'am.
Arav Solanki,
Yes, ma'am.
you were
No,
present.
ma'am.
Yesterday you were present.
No, ma'am.
No, you're attending your classes after a long time. Why so? For 2, 3 days you were absent. Why? Anmol Singh was there in the class? No, he wasn't. Okay, rest everybody was present. Rishabh, you were present all these days, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. I have marked your attendance. Now let's begin Okay, till where have we done the chapter landforms?
And we have done difficult part and we have done key points till 6.
Till 6.
Yeah, ma'am.
One. I was doing sixth one.
Okay, beta. I'll share the screen once again with all of you.
Ma'am, I have done the 6th one. Ma'am, we have done till the key point 6. Ma'am, please you will share the screen.
Yes, beta, I'll share the screen. That is what I'm doing. I'm opening the screen only. Okay. Look at the 6th key point. Hurry up.
Ma'am, please do the sixth one.
Ma'am, please wait, I am right third. Ma'am, please just scroll up in 1 minute
The
only.
third one is also there on the screen. Okay. Students, listen to this message very carefully. Pooja ma'am is saying that she has not got marks of, that means the papers of Yuvraj, Suprema, Samya, Araf Solanki and Arush Chaudhary. Why? Because your PDFs have not been received by Pooja ma'am. Samya Alifia, Araf Solanki, Arush Chaudhary. 3 of you are present right now. Send your paper again to Pooja ma'am. Or you can do
Ma'am,
one thing.
please.
Yes.
Ma'am, please scroll up. I am see only spelling of first and second.
Samya beta, are you listening to me? Araf Solanki, Samya and Arush Chaudhary. I have announced it in the class also. You will be marked absent. You will get a 0 in English if you don't submit your papers today.
Okay,
That's it.
thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, we have done this.
we have done this. Yes, now can I change the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
moving on to the next one.
Ma'am, but you have already sent on group 7 to 19.
Beta, I know that was because Mishti was after it. Mishti was too impatient to get this work. Mishti, have you done till point 19?
No, ma'am, I am done. I have do 8th. 8th key point.
Sarthak Agarwal was present yesterday. Nandini was present yesterday. And day before. No, she was absent.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she was present in 1-2 classes, but she has a network problem, so she didn't attend.
And what about Kanishka? Kanishka is not at okay. Kanishka, you were there yesterday, beta. Arpit Verma was present yesterday. Avni Verma and Devansh Verma. Anybody knows if they were present?
Ma'am, Avni Verma was not present, but Devansh Verma was present.
Okay. And Harsh Patel, he is also regular. Harsh Patel, was he there?
Yes, ma'am, he was regular, but he never replied.
But he replies in my classes. Kanishka is not replying. Kanishka, are you not there right now?
I have done.
You have done this page? See, there are 13 points in all.
Okay, ma'am. Then I have to
Ma'am, I want to see the eighth one.
Rishabh, you're going very slow, beta.
Oh,
Ma'am, I see 12th.
now, ma'am, I'm on 10th. Sorry, on 9th.
Ma'am, in the 12th one, last line, ma'am, what is written under the last line?
Due to the effect of wind and rain. Due to the effect of wind and rain.
Ma-
Beta, can you hear me? It is written due to the effect of wind and
yes,
rain.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 10th one, we can underline tableland.
Yes, beta, we can underline that.
Ma'am, I have done till 30.
Okay, beta, but I'll change the screen after 5 minutes. Let everybody do
Ma'am,
this.
please show the underlining.
No, in from sentence 10 to 13, I have not underlined anything. I'll tell you what to underline. In 10th one, you can underline the word tableland. Then the next one, you can underline the word plains. In the 12th one, need not underline anything. And in 13th also, leave it.
Ma'am, in the 11th one, we have to do on planes.
Yes, beta, 11th one, do on plains.
Ma'am, I am on 12th.
Ma'am, I've done till 13th.
Okay, just one more minute and I'll change the screen.
Ma'am, I have done till 13 Pratyaksh.
Okay. Rishabh, I'm changing the screen, beta. On
Okay.
which point are you?
Well, then I'm doing the 12th. Wait.
I will send it on the class group. Okay, I'm sending it on WhatsApp. Other children who have done, they should not sit idle. I think only you are left. Anybody else is also left with this screen?
Yes, ma'am, I'm also on it. Ma'am, I'm on 12th one.
Okay. Do it, hurry up and do it.
Ma'am, how many key points are there?
There are 19 key points in all.
Ma'am, in next class also we will do key points.
No, better. Then we will discuss question answers and exercises in the next class. And I will also talk to you about the CT lecture that we'll be conducting on Saturday. Okay, the activity that is going to be conducted on Saturday, I'll talk about it in the next period. Here I
Ma'am,
see.
please,
13
ma'am,
one. Ma'am, please change the screen.
ma'am,
Okay.
please 2 minutes.
Ma'am, now I am on 13th one. The salt.
Manas, you will do the 13th one later. Okay, just leave 2 lines for the 13th point. When I'll send the work on D group, do it from there. Start doing from the 14th.
Ma'am, I have done the 13 one from D group.
Very nice, beta, very good.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of isthmus?
ISTHMUS. Isthmus.
Ma'am, next period is of CT, so we will do question answers.
Yes, beta. Because see, a day prior to CT lecture, I should at least tell you what is to be done. But we don't have any class on Thursday. So that is why I decided to take your CT lecture on Saturday. Yes.
Ma'am, what is written after that in 14th one?
In 14th one, an isthmus is a narrow strip of land that joins two bigger lands.
Ma'am, please tell what you have written in 16th, second line.
There are two types of deserts. Hot deserts, for example, Sahara Desert. Cold desert, for example, Antarctica.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, please show that 19.
See better.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have to send it on WhatsApp.
No, better, you don't have to send it anywhere.
Okay, ma'am.
आज क्या दिन है?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Very nice, beta. Now you can start underlining. And after underlining, just read all these key points. Okay, quietly read all the key points.
Ma'am, Mishti Mishta, I have also done.
Very good. Start underlining and then read them.
And ma'am, I do reading because I am already done the put underline. I will do the
Okay, then sit down and
reading.
just read these key points carefully.
Ma'am, in 18th one, what is the last word? Cluster of Iceland is called an
Archipelago. Archipelago. Archipelago.
in 14 to 19 we have to don't do any underline.
No, beta, you will underline. In the
Ma'am,
19th
which
one,
word?
underline peninsula.
And ma'am, in 18th,
18th, archipelago. 19th, island. And 16th, nothing. Or you can underline hot deserts, cold deserts.
Ma'am, please send the key point on group.
Okay, beta.